Welcome back, guys. A little bit different today. I'm gonna let you guys into something that I really enjoy doing. It has nothing to do with the dryer vent. You may want to watch it, you may not, but it's just an evening stroll on the four-wheeler through the neighborhood. May get in trouble. Let's see. Alright, hopefully the microphone's picking up, but in 485, in Charlotte, around 485, they're building multiple new exits, and this just happens to be close to the house. So, let's I can't go through right there. Didn't help I was in 5th gear. Every time I get it, I'm getting away. Check it out, guys. Yeah. So, it's pretty cool. I wish I could get over there. But to do that, I've got to cross that bridge up there. And the issue with that is, on the sidewalk section of it, they have left a gap that is, I don't know. I mean, it's like an 18-inch drop off just to, you know, just to be able to get onto the bridge, go across it, and then same on the other side. So, but that right there looks phenomenal. But I've been playing on this, and it took them so long to figure out how they were going to actually build it and design it, that they would come out and they'd take this same mound of dirt and they'd move it over there, they'd move it over here, and they'd have all these little stacks. And my baby, my very first one, 1986 Ford Trax Honda, my very first one. And well, y'all see what's hanging off the back. So I put this puppy through some, man, she's gone through it, but every time, check this out. Oh shit, right when I would say that, now watch me get broke up here. Well, either either way, even if she did cough there for a second, ha, man, 1986, bro, and gals, she's a beast. So, what I've done before is gone down behind that wall, yeah, and it didn't end well. But they used to have, see the concrete wall on the inside? They used to have that where the white line is on the right hand side of the road, and so you could just race cars up and down the street because it was already paved. But can't do that anymore because there's no wall there. No, I don't trust it anymore. But again, I would so love to be able to get over there. So dude, how you living, brother? All right. At all. Nope. Man, if y'all can't, I know y'all can't see that, but this, again, this is a 1986, man. It'll beat the brakes off of you. Because also, if you look, I gotta have Mom Dukes. I gotta have her put, I still have the pad, but I like the lowrider look. So I gotta get her to to chop it in half, the pad, and then recover it. Woo. Oh well, we're just gonna go for it. I'll leave the camera running for the ride back to the house. Gets a little sketch up here, man, trying to cross that road, but beneath. It's time to go fishing.